What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, today I want to talk about this big surprise. Okay, I'm telling you guys, Casper is cooking a very big surprise for the people who are really having their positions right now. Okay, it's not a financial advice, but for me, I've been saying it for days or even weeks right now. It's time for you to have your spot position ready or your leverage position, because Casper is about to run, and when I mean run, it's about to take off. Okay, that being said, let's do as we always do every day. Let's take a quick look at the market to see how the market is performing today. Okay, let's go to the crypto bubbles, then I will take you guys to my trading view, and also, as always, show you how my positions are performing. But first, let's look at crypto bubbles. Look at crypto bubbles right there. So you can see the whole market is red today. I mean, like, Bitcoin is doing its thing. Everybody who was happy for Bitcoin ETFs, there you go. This is why I was telling you the ETFs were not a good thing, because now the whales can manipulate Bitcoin anyhow they want to, because they've been buying it, accumulating it however they want. But anyways, here we are here to look at the coins that we are trading in this my millionaire journey, which are Jasmy, Casper, and Quant. Okay, as you can see, let's see today how Casper is performing. Let's see how Casper, number 25, it is down on the hourly 1.7% and 1% on the daily. Okay, which is not that bad compared to the entire market. So we look at Jasmy, JAS. Jasmy is down 1.2% on the hourly and 6.1% on the daily. The same. It's not nothing compared to the entire market. I think those prices, they are holding perfectly. Okay, and we're gonna look at it. Last but not the least is Quant. QNT. Quant here. The same thing. On the hourly, Quant is down 0.9%, and on the day it is down 1.1%. So like I said, Quant, it looks like we've bottomed out. I don't think Quant will go any lower than this. I think Quant has bottomed out. So let me take you to my trading view right quick. Trading view here. I'm about to look for Casper, KAS, Casper. We look for the Maxi. I like the Maxi chart better. This is their weekly, but I'll first of all take you on the hourly. There you go. Those of you who's been following my channel, like I said, this is a very bullish channel. Yesterday, sorry, a very bullish chart. As you can see yesterday, look, I told you guys, we had this resistance upwards. Okay, we had this resistance upwards that has been there. These lines, I have had them for a long time now, a very long time. Look, I told you guys, when we broke out of this, resistance. Now we broke out above the moving average, the 200 moving average, and also above the ribbon, and went to the main resistance we had up here at 15.8, 15.9, depends on how you draw these lines. But that resistance is too strong. We can't just take it in one. So if you look, we got rejected there, came back, retested the moving average. Okay, so what I'm expecting Casper to do now, probably gonna come back again, retest the moving average again, or it might even go up straight up and retest the resistance again. So when you look at it like that, it seems like Casper is about to break up to try to retest that 15.8, 15.9 one more time. If we are successful, the next resistance will be up there at 17, 18 cents. So look at this on the 4 hourly. Sorry about this. Look at this on the 4 hour. There you go. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, If you can see, we are forming a doji candle. This Star Wars candle is a bullish reversal candle. So if we close the next 4 hours like this on this Star Wars candle, this will push the price back up to retest this 15.7, 15.9. Now, if you're lucky enough, Casper could break this and start looking at 17 cents. Now, let's go on the daily. Let's go on the daily right now, right here. Those of you who have been with me in this my millionaire journey, you know that I have had these lines for the longest, and I've told you guys so many times, just watch the lines of resistance and support, watch the moving average, and watch the ribbon. As you can see, the ribbon is way low. I don't think Casper will ever touch this moving average again on the daily anytime soon from now. So look, we broke above the line. We have this major resistance right here. Like I said, 18 cents, 18.9. I mean, 15 cents, 15.9. If we break it, the next resistance will be up here at 15 and 16, 17 cents. Now we break that, the next resistance will be trying to go above the all-time high. Okay, the all-time high, which is around 19.5, depends on what exchange you are looking at. 19.5 or 20 cents, depends on where you're looking at. So looking at that, I can tell you that the Casper price is about to go higher, because look at the ribbon. You see how the ribbon is curving? The ribbon is curving, and today's daily candle need to close green. Once it closes green, we're going higher. Okay, so like I said, you guys need to look at this on the different angle, not just on the hourly. On the hourly, they're just minor traders, some daily traders, some people that chase the waves and all that stuff. But this is about to go even higher, way higher than the most that a lot of people is anticipating. Okay, now let's look at the Jasmy right quick. Look at Jasmy, Jasmy, Jasmy on Binance. Okay, this is why I'm telling you guys that Jasmy is also prepping up. Okay, a lot of people are expecting 2 cents or 2.2 or whatever they are expecting, but I'm telling you guys that Jasmy is prepping to go up. See that? Look at that. Jasmy closed yesterday's was a doji candle, Star Wars, like you want to call it, and now the next day, which is today, Jasmy is going up. Look at the ribbon. You see how the ribbon has begun to curve, which means we are ready to pop off. Okay, let's go on the 4 hours or on the day. Yesterday has been, look, let's go on the 4 hour. See, so now we broke above it, like I told you guys yesterday. We have a support at 2.9. Okay, 2.9 on the dot. So this is right somewhere around here. Price might come down to retest this support and then take off from there, which is natural, which is normal. That kind of stuff shouldn't scare you. You should just scale up your position if you're on a leverage trade. If you're on a spot, this is time for you to buy even some more. Again, now let's look at quant QNT, and I'm going to take the Binance chart. Now quant is what is very, very interesting to me right now. If you look at quant, we have had this this downward slope resistance almost since January. Okay, we have this line since January. Okay, guys, if you trace it backwards, I've had this line. I had this line put on since January. Quant has not been able to break it. Okay, now just I think it was on Wednesday, quant kind of bottom out. I think quant has bottomed out, because if you see, now we're forming this triangle. Okay, you know, in the crypto TA, the many times you touch a resistance line, it becomes weak, which means quant is about to reverse to break it. And then if you look, let me go this way a little bit. We are coming to the apex, to the end of the triangle. Look at here, we are coming to the end of the triangle. These triangles will probably be breaking out very, very soon. Latest probably Wednesday. We are going to have a decisive move for quant. Well, as you can see, we tested again the support and now we're about to go up to test that resistance again. I'm telling you guys, I think this thing is about to break to the upside. Let me take you to the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour right quick. 1 hourly. You see, this is what I mean. It tested it, it got butt right back up. Now for the few past 2 hours, it formed the Star Wars again. So I think it's gonna come back down, test it again, and then we start to move up. This thing right here is about to go up to the upside. Okay, so now the opportunity you're looking at right in front of you is one in a lifetime. Only a few people will see this. Only a few people would notice, because Casper, for example, Casper has a lot of bullish news, a very lot of bullish news. We have the KRC20, KRC720, we have the what do you call it, the migration, we have the exchange listings, which have been rumored already. Even their own development team has been saying maybe, you know, very soon, which means one of those guys is about to list Casper. And that, like I'm telling you, it goes like a domino effect. Okay, we only got 6% left for the migration to be complete. That 6% could be done today, could be done tomorrow, anytime now. And that migration is what is holding the smart contracts. Once the smart contracts get added, that is what is holding the exchanges to start listing Casper. Because like I'm telling you, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, you name them, they will not want to miss on the frenzy. Now you got people like Marathon Digital, okay, very big company, interested in Casper. So things like that are happening in the background, and the price is just going sideways. Trust me guys, this thing is about to run. Same goes to Quant. When you look at Quant, I won't stop repeating myself. Okay, Project Enbridge is live. Project Rosalind is coming on this month in July. With approval of stablecoin in the UK, United States, and a bunch of them. And then you have Project Rosalind, the same, August. And then you have Project Gateways, which is, like I said, personally is what I'm waiting for, because I would like to stake my quant to gain passive income. Okay, excuse me. I would like to stake my quant to gain passive income. I don't know about you guys, but I would love to do that. So that being said, you can see all that in the background happening. Okay, all that happening, and most people are not even talking about it. Okay, most people are not even talking about it because nobody knows. It's not like they don't know, but price action is kind of boring now for them. So that being said, let me take you right quick to my trades. Again, I do not condone leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. But if you do, I do have my Phemex and Bydfi affiliate links in the description. You can sign up using those links. Okay, you take the bonus, and then after that, just take your money out and use the bonus to trade, which is what I am doing with Ondo Finance. As you can see, I'm scaling up my trades, exchange fees and all that stuff is not my money. I just trade Ondo Finance, and my gains from Ondo Finance is what I am using to scale up my trades and get exchange fees. That's what I am doing. Okay, so I'll take you right quick to my Bydfi, which are my long-term trades, and let's see how they are performing. Then later on, we are going to check on the Phemex, my Phemex, which are my daily or short-term trades. Let's go here. Bydfi. There you go. Let it open up. Okay. For those of you who's been following the channel and this is my millionaire journey, you could remember not just a couple days ago, my total was around $21,000. So the market, like I said, the market is going up. My total has also begun to climb. I'm now 24,200, which is pretty good. I'm not worried about this. These trades I plan to keep open till the end of the bull run, or as close as the top as possible. Like I said, nobody knows when the top is going to be. So on my contracts, let's go right there. Here we are. We have Quant. my quant is up 1.4%. Like I said, I have my quant open and I have my liquidation. I scaled up my quant. Okay, as you can see, my liquidation is at $15. I know for sure quant is not going to $15, so I'm not worried about the price going lower. Like I said, you need to put in your trade and scale it up. Once you scale it up as much as you can, okay, that way you will not get liquidated. All you need to do then is just worry about the exchange fees, and that's it. My quant is up 1.4%, which is $58, which is okay by me. I'm good by that because quant is about to start running. Okay, under finance, which is the one that I trade most of the time, I open close. As you guys could see yesterday, I was up almost $500. I just had to take profits, so I took profits, but I'm still up 11%. Okay, liquidation is at 42 cents. I don't think it will go lower than that, so I will keep this one open too. So I'm still up 11% after taking profits, which is like $156. Okay, that is the one that we use to make exchange fees, the money that you want to use to trade and all that. I use quant for that. So looking at Jasmine, okay, my Jasmine, I am still up 48%, which is equal to like $2,000. 48%, $2,000. I scaled it up to the maximum that my liquidation is zero. I don't think Jasmine is going to zero, so I'm not worried about it neither. So that one is perfectly where it's supposed to be. Now, King Casper. My Casper, I am up 45%, which is like almost 3,800 US dollars. Okay, and my liquidation is at 3 cents. Again, I don't think Casper is going down to 3 cents. So these are the things that you are, like I tell you guys, okay? These are the things. These are the things like I tell you guys. You open up your position. Once you open it, you scale it up. Okay, you scale it up so that way your liquidation goes so low that even if the market swings up and down, you will not be affected. Okay, you might see it in a red position for a little bit, yeah, but once the market starts to go up, it turns back green. You don't need to worry about it. All you got to do is worry about how much money you are going to make when the position goes to the point you think it is going to go. That's exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so now let's go look at my short-term positions right quick. Okay, let's go to my Phemex. Phemex right quick. Okay, now those of you, yesterday my Phemex on my Jasmine was up a little bit. Like I said, this price is swinging. Okay, if you remember, my overall yesterday I was almost 7,200. Okay, but because of price swinging today, I am up. It dropped a little bit to 6,900. I ain't worried about that. Okay, like I said, I have my contracts here on Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine, I'm still up 52%, which is around $400. Okay, and we still have you still have like my liquidation to be very, very low. I'm not worried about it. My liquidation is at 23. I don't think Jasmine is going to 23. I'm like 23% of a penny. I don't think it's going there. So I mean, sorry, 2 cents and what is this? A wonderful experience. You see, guys, like what I'm saying. You guys, this is what's happening when you start trading with these guys. You start getting promotions and you get free money. Okay, so now let's go to the back to the video. Sorry about that. As you can see, my Casper here, which is my recent Casper that I opened, I am up 9%, which is about $500. But the reason why it's just a small percentage is pushing my price that high is because the total amount I have on my leverage here is around $5,000. Compared to Jasmine, the total amount I have on Jasmine is only $800. So that is why you see a little movement on Casper. I get more profits, like almost 5 times profit. Okay, so I have a very big leverage position, and I have it on the maximum 50x leverage. That's what I have. I have it right there, 50x leverage. But I do not recommend. Do not go 50x if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so that being said, as you can see, that's what I am doing. That's what I am doing. Okay, I am ready for it. I put in my position. My spot positions are already there. I'm not going to touch them. Okay, I'm a dolphin. on Casper. Most of you already know I'm a dolphin. I have more than above 500,000 coins on Casper. But the more the time market goes, the more I buy. I make profits on leverage and I buy more Casper on spot. So that's how it works for me. Okay. So that being said, the surprise that is Casper is cooking. Casper is cooking a very, very big surprise. Okay. If you ask me, not financial advice, but I will tell you, sell your Solana, sell your Ethereum, sell that freaking Bitcoin and buy Casper. Because I'm telling you that Casper is going to outperform all those coins this season. I still maintain it. Casper is going to $10. That's where Casper is going. A lot of people are going to sell their position once Casper hits that $2 to $3. They're going to sell their position, but those guys are going to regret it. I can tell you that. I can tell you that right now. Because like I said, everything is just starting for Casper. Okay, if you just follow the big money. That's what I'll tell you. Follow the big money. Once you follow the big money, you will know what Casper is going for. Bitcoin was supposed to be, that day-to-day money. But Bitcoin right now, even to store it, it costs you more than what you want to store. Because let's just say this. If you have a cold wallet, put Bitcoin in it. Now, try to move that Bitcoin from your cold wallet to the exchanges to try to sell it. Then you tell me how much it costs you. But now, Casper, okay? Excuse me. But Casper is a different story. I have my Casper, my Tangent wallet. Okay, I can easily move it to an exchange to sell it, or I can even transact it in the same Tangent with of the price. Did you see that? Now that is just the transaction part of it. Now the speed at which that happens is out of this world. And now we are still migrating to Rust. Imagine when we migrate to Dark Knight. Those of you who was talking about ICP, where are you now? Because like last time I checked, we were just $5 million away from overtaking ICP in the coin market cap. Just a few minutes away, a few millions away. And I'm telling you guys, Casper is heading to that top 5 this season. And once it gets there, you guys are going to see these projects on Ethereum, on Solana, or wherever they are. They are all going to migrate to Casper because Casper is more efficient. If Casper does not crash, Casper does not waste your time. You do a transaction, you can go to the store and be back, and transaction still running on Ethereum or even Solana. Solana will crash on you, but Casper doesn't do that. So once these smart contracts get implemented, that is when the real show will begin. Now, guys, like I always say, if you know, you know. You do not want to sit on the sideline right now. This is the time. You don't want to be like, the whole thing just pops like surprise and you be like, oh crap, I missed it. No, guys, get your positions right now. On the spot, on leverage, start mining no matter what you do. At this my millionaire journey, that is what we do every day. We try to get higher. I don't care, $1, 50 cents, $10,000, or it doesn't matter how much, but we try to go up. Okay, that's what you are supposed to be doing right now. Not just not just Casper, Quant also, Jasmine also, because I'm telling you guys, Quant and Jasmine, they are about to blow. Quant has been oversold for the longest, and a lot of people are not paying attention to that. Go look at Quant. Quant has been oversold on the weekly, on the monthly. It's been laying on the flat, on the ground. And the funny thing is that price is not even dropping even lower than that. That should tell you something. Look at them Bollinger Bands. They are squeezed. It's about to blow. So, guys, please, like I'm saying it's not financial advice. But those of you in this my millionaire journey, now is the time to make that move. Buy your Casper on the spot, your Quant on spot, buy and hold. If you want to enter a leverage, open a position and scale it up. That way your liquidation does not get triggered. Okay, so that being said, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please, I want to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tell me what you think about this. Okay, let's share this video. That way other aspiring millionaires, other people who want to join me in this my journey, we could all be happy at the end of this run. Okay, thank you for watching. Please be safe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.